Piku, Amitabh Bacchan, and Mohan Bhandar Kochuri. Stay tuned.
Hello, today is 21st of March 2025 and it's around 11:30 a.m. morning. I'm going to New Market, Esplanade New Market because I have a plan to go to a place that is Mohan Bhandar. You have seen the movie Piku and there is a scene of Amitabh Bacchan ji. He is going for the Kochuri, Bishuddho Banglar Kochuri. And I heard this is their 100 years. From I think from past 1 year I was planning to go there and I was not getting time, so situation was not like that. So today yesterday I was working till 2 a.m. and today wake up at 7:30 a.m. I finish my work and I have to go to New Market because my chopping board is broken. So that's why I decided to go to that Mohan Bhandar, and I won't go for the seat and eat, but I will do the parcel for my home. That is the plan. So what I did in the yesterday night, I spoke to a few people there, like very knowledgeable. Of course Google Map is there, but I think human map is better than everything. So I spoke to Shubhradi. She told me how to go there. She told me beside Roxy I can go to that place. And then I spoke to Bipronadda. He's from Facebook. He told me that how to go there. And of course Ronovir is there. He is a less spoken person. He said go from Metro Gully, and then finally Subhash Ghosh uncle, he has really good knowledge about the Kolkata, the places. So he sent me pictures and voice note that how to reach there. So I'm following everything. And why I am doing the vlog, because there is a confusion how to go from the metro. So in this vlog I will show you that how to go from the metro. So first I will go to Taliganj metro station and I will get down at Esplanade, and from Roxy I can go, but what is Shubhrato uncle told me, I think that will be the easiest way. You know, the Onadi cabin Mughlai house, everybody knows that, or the new Chorongi beside. So I will took that lane. That will be easier, I guess. So let's see. And I don't know when I will reach there, but this is going to be very interesting.
I took the gate 1 towards Metro Gully. Took the gate 1, so first left side it was Metro Gully, and after that I cross towards V Mart, cross the road, and because I crossed the road, but later I got to know that I don't have to cross the road. I can go from V Mart. The same road, end of the road, there will be left side Mohan Bhandar. If you are coming out from gate 4 Esplanade metro station, it will be easier and no walk actually. So just right turn, first Chorongi cabin and then Onadi Moglai. You can see this is V-Mart, which was previously Smart Bazaar.
Full one. So gate 4. Come out from gate 4 Esplanade metro station, and this is Chorongi, Onadi. Go straight. So this is the lane. Guess what? The way Subhash Ghosh uncle told me, I found this one is easier. So actually it's easier. This is the story place.
Left on the building is the famous Born and Shepherd, which was a photographic store long back. Since 2016 it is closed, it's not functioning, so that is an iconic building. Born and Shepherd building.
That's the iconic building, Born and Shepherd. So that is Regal. I don't know. Quite easy to find the place.
And reached Mohan Bhandar. You can see.
So from gate 4, it's quite easy. That is that iconic from Mohan Bhandar. So going there, easy to find.
Lassi was quite good and decent. It was only 40 rupees. So I was having lassi over there. So I want to have that memory. They prepared it in front of me and I was sitting. So it was a wish fulfilling day for me. If it is winter, I can try the tea also, but today only that lassi and the kochuri that I did the takeaway for my home. Next day I had it and it was great. So that was the pictures of Amitabh Bachchan ji inside the premises. So that day it was not crowded. It was lucky for me. So this is the small eatery and it's good one. What I love about this place that they serve the food very quickly and their behavior is very nice, very polite. So this is my time to have that kachori and go back to New Market.
Okay, so Mohan Bhandar is done. I took just 2 plates of kachori. That is 50 rupees each plate, and 4 pieces of kachori. So enough for 3 of us, for my parents and I. It's quite summer, so I had a lassi. It's good. Lassi was 40 rupees. I never know that it's very close to this place. I came here, but I don't know the exact location. So, what I can see, if you are coming from that Esplanade near metro station, gate 4, and take the lane of Onadi, so it will be better. Or if you're coming from Esplanade, the gate 1, then you don't have to cross the road. Just take the lane of that V-Mart and go straight. So, end of the lane that is just opposite of Pizza Hut, left side. So it's done. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen. I'm going to enjoy. So 2025, that is my wish fulfilling year. When I saw that Piku movie for so many times, I wanted to have that kochuri, and finally I have. So দেরিতে হলেও সব হচ্ছে.
After watching this video, anybody can reach this place easily. So I will keep sharing this kind of video, and that is the Kolkata Mounted Police Headquarters. Stay tuned.